Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you a review of the Costa Grand and Spa Resort in Santorini. I'm just going to take you through the whole room and eventually the whole resort. If you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. So this is my room. When you walk in, you do have a closet right here that you can open up, which has robes and slippers. A really nice ceiling lamp. You have a sink with your towels and then another cave style bathroom. A lot of the bathrooms here in Santorini have cave style bathrooms. And then you come back here to the main room and you do have a full bed. It kind of looks like two twin beds put together. Okay, and then we're gonna go over here to the balcony. You can open up these windows. Oh my gosh. The sunsets here in Santorini are just amazing. So they have this full open balcony, which is really, really nice. You can see the sunset. And then it's really, really, really pretty. So that's pretty much the whole room. It's really simple, really basic, but I'm definitely going to take a look around the whole hotel, see what else they have to offer. The Costa Grand Resort and Spa is the perfect accommodation if you're just looking for a simple yet luxurious, calm vibe, somewhere to lay your head at night, somewhere to have a good meal, and somewhere to relax and lay by the beach. You don't have a lot to do on the hotel. It's kind of just like you have your accommodation, the restaurant, breakfast bar, and the pools, and then the beachfront. So it's not too much going on here, but it's very beautiful. And if you guys have any questions in general about the accommodation, Costa Grand Resort and Spa, questions about the hotel or Santorini, then make sure to let me know in the comments down below. So I only got to spend about 1 to 2 nights at the Costa Grand, but while I was there, I did get to enjoy the all-inclusive breakfast. So this was included with the price that you pay to stay at the resort, and it was delicious. Everything in Greece is really, really fresh, and I kind of like that the resort had a large variety of breakfast because it was a little bit hard to find filling foods outside of the resort. So they had a lot of options and a lot of variety at breakfast, and it was delicious. Another thing that I really, really enjoyed was the veggie burger at the beach bar. Let me tell you, in the US, just had a whole bunch of veggie burgers in my life, and this was the most delicious, gourmet, savory, flavorful burger I have ever had. So if you come to this resort, definitely get the veggie burger at the beach bar. They don't really have too many amenities here at the hotel. It's really simple, really calm, but again, very luxury, very beautiful, and it was just amazing. Such a good resort. All right, guys, that's it for today's video and this Costa Grand hotel / room tour video. It's actually about 6 a.m. here, and the sunset is amazing. I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's so beautiful here. I do not want to be leaving Santorini. I don't want to leave this hotel, but unfortunately it is my time to go home. So if you haven't, make sure to check out the rest of my Greece videos. If you have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video.